So a common problem with some of these older bikes is fuel pumps fail, right, Steve?
Yes, sir.
And in this case, we have an RC45, but rather than try to find an RC45 fuel pump, which would be next to impossible and wildly expensive, right?
Well, next to impossible for damn sure.
So what did you do? You got we got a fuel pump from?
This is a company called Quantum. They make a whole bunch of fuel pumps for various bikes with like generic, comes with 3-4 filters, and all this stuff. So it'll fit. It does have the correct connectors. So it's replacing this RC45 one with this brand new one.
All right, so you got a new filter in there, obviously, also.
Yep, new filter.
And let's see the new pump. Where's the new pump at? There you go. So we're basically going from that to that.
Well, the other way, but yeah.
There you go. I'm sorry. So size-wise, there you go. So size-wise,
Size-wise,
pretty comparable.
all the fitment is identical.
And then you're sitting here getting all the fittings to work.
Yep.
And that should be it. We can get this RC45 back together. And speaking of the RC45, it's right over here. This is it. This is a US bike. VIN number 20, right? Wasn't it? Yeah, VIN number 20. She has 7,600 miles on it. We found an OEM rear fender for it. I just found out it's running a day late, so it will not be here tomorrow after all. It'll be here later this week. We have an OEM fender. We have the OEM exhaust. I believe it has a 17-inch wheel conversion on it as well, so you can get tires a little easier. And should go together quickly. Really good shape. Triple clamps not marked up, not scratched. Again, it's a US bike, so it's wildly desirable. And what do you think, Scott? We'll have this one together by the end of the week?
We're working on it. I believe that's doable.
Cool.
Yeah.
Actually, better yet. Steve, can we have this bike back together this week?
Yeah.
Willing to bet an eyebrow on it?
Yep.
All right, there you have it. Thank you. One eyebrow coming up.
One bike coming up, no eyebrows.